Yeah. See here, today we are going to discuss about the pattern programming, because as whenever we are able to write the codes for pattern programming, automatically your logical thinking will improve. That is okay. See here, everything is based on that nested loops only. Everything based on nested loop. Here, whenever we are printing the pattern, we use nested loops, outer loop and inner loop, two loops. So two variables we are taking. Suppose first, for take one variable I comma j. Inside this, one more for loop. 5 into 5. 5 rows and 5 columns. 5 rows and 5 columns. Like that, 5 stars I want to display. Like this. Total how many rows? It is representing by the outer loop. So outer loop you have to repeat 5 times. Next, this is the first row, suppose. Next, inner loop. Inner loop is representing columns. Inner loop repeats 5 times. Inner loop repeats 5 times. So 5 things execute. 5 stars will display. Outer loop you have to repeat 5 times. For I starts with 1. I is less than or equals to 5. I plus plus. J starts with 1. J is less than or equals to 5. I'll explain more briefly. J plus plus. Inside we are printing just system dot out dot print only, not print ln. Ln means automatically it will send the control to next line. Just one star we are printing with a space followed by. Once inner for loop execution completed, then we send the control to next line. How this code gets executed? See here, first I equals to 1. I equals to 1 is nothing but we are printing the first row. J equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times it will repeat with this for loop. 5 times it will repeat. So 5 stars will display. First one, I equals to 1, I equals to 2, I equals to 3, I equals to 4, I equals to 5. When, J value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When J value becomes 6, inner loop will be terminated because 6 is less than or equals to 5 condition false. It will be terminated. And this statement execute. This statement will send the control to next line. Will send the control to next line. This one. Next line. Here it is. Whenever it will come to that next line, then outer loop repeats. I value become 2. Now is coming inside with I value is a 2. With I value 2. And again inner loop repeats 5 times. So 5 stars will display. 5 stars will display. This one. Next println will send the control to next line. Again this loop will repeat. Again loop will repeat. Now here it is that I value become 3. It will come inside. So with I equals to 3. With I equals to 3. And here it is what 3 times it will execute. 3 times execute. Like this total 5 times. When I equals to 4, I equals to 5. All these executes. So it will give that output. 5 into 5 stars will give. This is the simple code. Sorry. This is the simple code. When we compile and run, it will give the output this one. It will give the output this one. So 5 into 5 stars. 5 into 5 stars. This one. Next, they will ask the patterns. To understand those patterns, how to write the code and all. So bit tricks important. Look at this. Based on the pattern. Based on the pattern, tricks we need to write. Suppose here it is a pattern is a 1 1 2 1 2 3 and wait. See here, now this is the 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Now remember this point. How can we write this? How can we write this? Look at this. Every row first value is a 1. Every row last value is a 1 2 3 4 5. Is increasing now. What is increasing? That you please write outside. I value. I equals to 1. I is less than or equals to 5. I plus plus. So first it will come with I value 1. Right? I value 1. Next I value 2. I value 3. I value 4. I value 5. This one. In every row, what is changing? That is outer loop. Next, inner loop. Inner loop is for printing purpose. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Every row starts with a. For j value starts with 1. J is less than or equals to 5. Not 5. I j plus plus. J plus plus. See. Every row starts with a 1 only. See, j value every time starts with 1. But up to I means what? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First I value 1. It will start from 1 and it will end with 1. J value starts with 1 to end with 1. J value starts with 1 to end with 2. J value starts with 1 to end with 3. Like this it will go. Inside we are printing. Okay, write the complete code fast. All codes based on this logic only. Remember that. See here, when we write the code once again, what is changing that you please write as an outer loop, guys. What you are changing, that is outer loop. See here, in this, what is changing? In the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So outer loop should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the shortcuts. Remember to write this pattern program bit faster. Okay. Next, inner loop is always display the content. So every time that value starts with 1. Value starts with 1. End with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir? First time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is I. So starts from 1 to I. 1 to I. When you execute this, sir, what we need to display here? Display that J value. Display that K value. This one. When you run this code, 2 minutes. When you run this code, it will execute 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is okay. From here, you please write the codes. Now, how can we? So this one, I'm changing like this. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, remember this. Remember this here. For loop we are repeating. What is changing in the outer loop? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is changing. So first you please write that outer loop. I value starts from 1. I is less than or equals to 5 and I plus plus, because it is increasing order only. In the decreasing order means what? Here it is in that nested loop. Look at this. First value starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is changing, right? Sir, what is changing, sir? I value changing. So starts from I to, sir, what is that last value? Every time last value 1 only, observe this. Every time last value 1. So please stop at 1. But sir, where I should start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, it is changing. So what is changing here? I value is changing. So for J value starts with 1. J is less than or equals to j is greater than or equal to 1, I starts with I na. J minus minus, it is decreasing order. Sir, why decreasing order? Because 5 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 3 2 1, right? Just print that j value, print that j. First I value starts with 1, so j value starts with I means 1, 1 to 1, only 1 will repeat. Next starts with 2, 2 to 1, 2 1. Next starts with 3, 3 to 1. Next starts with 4, 4 3 2 1. Starts with 5, 5 4 3 2 1. This one. Check the complete output fast, everyone. I to 1, j minus minus will give this. If you are not getting the things, just message me, I will explain. Okay, but you have to write the code. You have to write the code. Can you please try this one? Yeah, I'll explain this. Look at this. 1 point, keep it in mind. 1 point. See, inner loop is always for printing purpose. J is always for printing purpose, remember. J. Okay. Sir, here it is a what is the use of I means what is changing, that is I. You can check diagonal and you can check like this, straight. So some values are changing. What is changing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That you make it outer loop. I equals to 1. I is less than or equals to 5. I plus plus. So I value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first it will come inside. It will come inside with I equals to 1 first. Next to 2. Next to 3. Next to 4. Next to 5. Next j value. Inner loop. Starts from 1, starts from 2, starts from 3, 4, 5. Is nothing but starts with I only, na? J always starts with I. 1 minute. J is greater than or equals to 1. I means look at this decreasing order. Every time is decreasing order. Decreasing means what? Minus minus. Minus minus. So greater than or equal to 1. If it is increasing order, less than or equal to. Like this. Okay. Now you should write the code for this one. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 1 2 and 1 this one. See here, outer loop is a 5 4 3 2 1. Keep it in mind. This is outer loop. I value is a 5 4 3 2 1. Inner loop J value starts with 1 to I. J value starts with a 1 to I, because first I value 5, right? So 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 1, like this. Okay, do it fast. లేవు ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ లో అదే చెప్పాను కానీ తర్వాత సబ్మిట్ చేస్తాను. అంటే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వాలి, వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ అప్రూవ్ చేసి స్కాన్ చేసి ఇవ్వాలి. ఆఫీస్ లేదండి మేడం, అదే చెప్పాను. పర్లేదు సార్.
ఏంటంటే జస్ట్ నాకు
నీ పని నువ్వు చాలా నుంచి వచ్చు కానీ అంత చెప్పేవాడి అయితే అసలు అక్కడ దాకా ఏమన్నా మేము ఒక దగ్గర పని చేసే వాళ్ళం కదా బస్, మాకు తెలుసు అలాంటి. సరేనా? మీకు పెట్రోల్ అన్న అటు ఇటు తిరుగుతారు
అర్థం చేసుకోండి. నేను అసలు మీరు ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి వల్ల ఆగి
సరే. Everyone please do it fast. Yeah, see here it is. Outer loop means what is changing. You can check in the lines right or here like this. So here it is changing, right? What is changing? 5 4 3 2 1. So outer loop should be 5 4 3 2 1. I value 5 4 3 2 1 means what? Greater than or equals to 1. Greater than or equals to 1. I minus minus. Next J value. J value starts with a, every time look at this, every time that pattern starts with 1. So J value starts with 1. Up to 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 1 means what? I. So J value is less than or equals to I j plus plus inside that print j value. Inside that print j value, that is okay, is the one. When you execute this code, look at this. The pattern what we are expecting, same pattern will be the output. Please everyone try to answer. Because of this thinking only, other logics also we can write. Right? Definitely they are expecting one pattern. In any interview, one pattern program compulsory. So please everyone try. Everyone. Just shortcuts only. Easily we can remember. See, look at this. One more I am giving. One more. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 4, 5 and 5. Suppose. Now look at this. So what is changing? Either you can check like this in a straight direction or this one. In any direction, definitely one value will change. What is changing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what outer loop. So I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is outer loop. Okay. Next, inner loop. Inner loop always starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is I only na. So j value starts with 1, nothing but I, 2, 5 every time. I to 5. I to 5 means what? 1 to 5, 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 4 to 5, like this. Like this. Okay. Do this fast. Written. Everyone, please. One to 5 increasing order for 1 to 5 increasing order. So I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. I plus plus. Now here it is a j value. J value is increasing order or decreasing order. Look at this in every loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Increasing order only, na? Increasing order only. But sir, where it starts with? Starts with I. Up to 5. Up to 5, J plus plus. Starts with I. 1 to 5. 2 to 5. 3 to 5. 4 to 5. Just 5 to 5 like this. Like this. Okay. This code will give the output. When you run this code, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 and 4, 5. So don't worry. Few more examples we are going to see. By the end of the today class, everyone able to write. Everyone. Only 4 questions completed. Almost all patterns we will discuss today. Don't worry, but please concentrate. Please concentrate. It's easy. Now look at this. Now it's 5. 5, 4. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. Now here write down. Look at this. What is changing? That is outer loop. It's a 5's only. Look at this changing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So take I is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Based on that, you please repeat the loop. Come to that inner loop. Inner loop always starts with 5. Na? So inner loop always starts with J value starts with 5 to I. Because 5 to 5, 5 to 4, 5 to 3, 5 to 2, 5 to 1. Look at this. Decreasing order, na? Decreasing order. So minus minus. J minus minus, remember. Okay, na? Please complete this. Everyone, please. For loop, I value is a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So I value starts with 5. Decreasing order I is greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. So based on that J value. J value always starts with a 5. Sir, up to J is greater than or equal to I. J minus minus, because that is also decreasing order only. That is also decreasing order. That is. So when you write When you write this, you will get the output, same output you will get. 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one. From here, everyone should write 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone, in the outer loop, what we have to write? In the outer loop, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is outer loop. I value should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inner loop J value starts with a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So nothing but starts with a I, because I value only 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I to 5 is increasing order only. I to 5. It's like 5 to 5, 5 to 5, 4 to 5, 3 to 5, 2 to 5, 1 to 5. Like this. Please do it fast. Everyone, please. Everyone try to write the code. Okay. So outer loop we have to repeat. I value starts with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So decreasing order na? Decreasing order. 5 to 1. Now look at the J value. What is that J? J value starts with a I. Less than or equals to 5. Because every time it will repeat up to that 5 only. J plus plus. Is a J plus plus. Like this it will execute. When you see that code, look at the output. What we are expecting, that is the output. Now, same like 2 more are there. You please finish, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1 and 1. Outer loop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inner loop. Starts from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 means what? I to 1. Decreasing order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 means what? Printing decreasing order. Minus minus use. Make it fast, everyone can write. Yes, outer loop is a I value starts with 5 to 1. 5 to 1 means what? Is decreasing order, na? It's decreasing order. Inner loop. Inner loop J value starts with a first 5, next 4, 3, 2, 1, changing. So I. Every time it is ending with 1. So decreasing order 1, J minus minus, J minus minus, this one. So the same code if you write here, you will get the output for this code. This is the output. So based on the output only, easily we can able to write the pattern coding by using the two loops. Using these two loops. Everyone should answer. Everyone. Because in this type it is the last one and it's a simple one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4 and 5. Everyone please answer. Yes, the complete code. See here it is a what is I? It's not changing, right? It is changing. So I value is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So increasing order 1, 2, 5, I plus plus. So J value every time starts with 5 only now. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is nothing but up to I. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is a decreasing order. So greater than or equals to I, J minus minus. J minus minus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every time the pattern starts with a 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is I. So 5 to I every time. Is a decreasing order, na? That's why. 5 to 1, 5 to 2, 5 to 3. Like this it will give. When you run this code, you will get that same output. You will get the same output. But see here, suppose they are expecting that binary pattern. binary. Pattern is the same pattern only. Pattern is the same pattern. But here it is a starts with suppose 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 like this. It's asking like this. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 like this. Okay. Every time whenever you are printing that value, this pattern model we know. Pattern model. Suppose for I value starts with the 1, I is less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. J value starts with 1, J is less than or equals to I, J plus plus. Pattern model will come. Pattern model will come. That is. But see here, how can we display that value? 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 like this. Just take one variable, just print k mod 2 value. Finish. K value starts with 1. Increasing that value. Increasing that value. Every time increase the k value. Every time increase the k value. Why? Because what is that k value first? 1. 1 mod 2 is not divisible na, so 1 only. Post increment, so next k value become 2. 2 mod 2 value is a 0. Next k value become 3. 3 mod 2 remainder 1, so 1 will give. Next k value 4. 4 mod 2 value is a 0. Next value is a 5. 5 mod 2 1. 6 mod 2 0. 7 mod 2 1. 8 mod 2 0. 9 mod 2 1. 10 mod 2 0. 11 mod 2 1. 12 mod 2 0 like this. Like this. So here it is a take one extra variable is continuously increasing and printing the mod operator with a 2 value result. Mod operator 2 value result. Just k. Just k. 1 to 5. 1 to I. Just printing the pattern only. Now here what we need to do, k plus plus mod 2. That's it. K plus plus post increment. Increment means what? First substitute and then increase the value. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 like this printing. Like this printing. See, look at this. Sometimes instead of using k, here it is that they will mod j itself. J. Just j mod 2. J mod 2. You will get another pattern. J value starts with always 1, right? Look at this. Every time it starts with 1. Every time it starts with 1. This pattern printing. This pattern printing is the one. So sometimes I mod 2 also will come. Such type of patterns also they will use. They will expect. That is. Now you know that. Repeat that loop from A to E directly. Print this pattern. A, B, C, D, E. B, C, D, E. C, D, E. D, E and E. Do this fast. You can take the characters directly, no problem. You can use the numbers as key values. See here it is a outer loop. Outer loop is A, B, C, D, E, right? We are taking like this. Directly you can take the characters, it's okay. Start with A, okay. Is up to E I plus plus. J value starts with a, look at this, every time A, B, C, D, E. Nothing but starts with I to E. I to E. We are printing this J. We are printing this J. Can you execute this? Look at this. Sir, we know already ASCII values, so that can I take, sir, 65 to 70? Yes, you can take. But sir, directly I am using characters anyway. You can use the characters also. You can use characters also. Outer loop repeats. I value starts with A. So I value starts with A to E directly. A to E. Whereas J value starts with I. I means A, B, C, D to E. Like this you can write. We can simplify. Now, how many of you can write this code? How many of you can write this code? Take one string. Please don't take that character array. Please don't take that character array. Take one string. Take one string. String S is equals to hello. Sorry. Hello. Convert into character array. Convert into character array. You can convert. It will be converted automatically. HELLO. LLO. Hello. You know that string to character array conversion. Finally, output pattern should be hello. Hello, ELLO, LLO, LO and O. Can you do it fast? Take the string hello, convert into character array. You can use that string object functionality, string to character array, will return the character array. Make it fast. How many of you can write? No, to character array you please use. Later you can display using index. Don't use a split method. See here, whenever you just type string Java API, string Java API, string to character array. String to char array. This is the function. This belongs to the string class. For example, take the string s is equals to hello to character array. To char array is the function. To char array. It will return that character array. We just convert into this one. And sir, how to get the length means what? Length you can find out arr dot length 5. Arr dot length 5. Okay. Now you please write the code. Yeah, using index value you can display fast. Everyone fast? Yeah, perfect. The length, right? I starts with 1. Sorry, index starts with 0 to length. Arr dot length I plus plus. But look at this j. J starts with the I. And j is less than length. J plus plus. J plus plus, and we are printing system.out.print arr of I. Arr of I, just a space if you want to take space. And outside we are writing system.out.println. Println just like that. Compile and run. What is this? J we have to print, right? Instead of H. See, this is our expectation. The given string you need to convert into character array first. And then we are performing the operations. And then we perform the operations. That is the one. Okay. See, more patterns. You please try practice. More patterns. Tomorrow we completely depends on that string based equations only, like this. Today what we have converted into character array. How to reverse, how can we search the substring, how can you find that word, how many times the duplicates repeated, all those things. Complete string manipulation questions we will discuss in the next class. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 32, same that one. Fibonacci only, just inside the Fibonacci, you please use that nested loop to do this. You just try based on this one. Okay, na? Yeah, today also we will upload that into that Google Classroom only. We will upload that. You can collect from the same place. Okay, na? You can leave, guys. Thank you. Yeah, data structures from day after tomorrow. Don't worry. In C++, array conversion means what? Go through that C++ library and check. Data structures, everyone should concentrate in their entire developer lifetime. Not a fresher, not experienced. The world is completely based on algorithms. Very important subject to everyone. No need to ask anyone whether it is important or not in our life. Okay, that is. They will upload this into that YouTube channel also. You please go through that one. Thank you, guys. Sure, everything I'll upload. Google Classroom link already you got, na? Yeah, actually I forgot. Tomorrow I'll explain. Okay, na? So some of the things I didn't study, go through the documentation properly, NCR pattern and all. Whether it is a webcam is there or not, if it is not available webcam, how can we search and all these things. Some of the questions I will check from the portal directly and I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. That is only information. Tomorrow I'll explain. Thank you, guys. See, object orientation means, guys, please not object oriented features, not encapsulation abstraction. Object orientation means objects, classes, methods and variables, instance methods, static methods,